Hello and welcome. This is Angie here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to earn money online in very simple and effective way using this proven strategy and system. So this system is designed basically by Mark Crosby, is the founder of YBR 3.0, and we are all using this system very simply to make money online and passive income. So in this video, I'll be illustrating step by step method and what this system consists of, how you can make profit, and my strategies, all the above that, how I use it, and how profitable it can be using my fantastic strategy if you club it with YBR, how you can benefit it. Because it is simple system, I am simple person, so I like the stuff very much, and hence I am in YBR. Now let's talk about what is YBR and what it consists of and what it includes. So actually YBR includes three major source of income. That is this short paint presentation I have created for you. So in this the very first source of income is PLS, which is marketing system, and the full name is Power Lead System. It is excellent marketing system, and you can also make lots of money from this. And they have illustrated it beautifully in YBR. They have short presentation about PLS, how you can benefit it, the compensation plan and all. So you can go, if you join YBR, you'll see this presentation on PLS. So my recommendation is please be at gold membership level to gain profit, to start making huge fat commission from this PLS. And second source of income is FAP, which is Future Ad Pro, which is again a very good advertising company which shares revenue. And as you all know, in online world, this particular source of income is mind blowing, because you can earn while advertising, because company shares revenue if they make profit. So this is all about FAP, which is Future Ad Pro, and basically it is owned by FutureNet, and FutureNet is another source of income in YBR tied up together. So FutureNet is social media platform. It is similar to Facebook, but the only difference is that you can make some commissions if you are using FutureNet. This is social media platform, and Facebook will never pay you for using that, but FutureNet is going to pay you for using this particular platform. So in FutureNet also you get very exciting and very crazy opportunity to earn money in very effective way. I'll show you one of the bonuses they offer. They offer Friends Tree bonus. If you come over here and you click on this business button over here, scroll down and click on this icon, so it will take you to Friends Tree, and your dashboard will look like this. Mine is filled till 100, so your might be little different. So this is, guys, this is particular stream of income which can pay you, and it has huge potential, where you can make from $10 you can make all the way up to $40,000 commissions. So what happens is there are $10, $25, $50, 100, 500, and then again $1,000. It's royal membership, we called it. And this is only one time purchase, and you can take benefit from this particular system. How? I will show you. This is called Friends Tree actually, and this is the marketing plan of Friends Tree. If you are in one position, I am explaining only $10 position. So it is 3x10 matrix, and you have to purchase it one time. Suppose if somebody signs under you, he becomes your referral, so you are going to get 5% of their income. And if somebody signs again under your referral, you are going to get paid 5% of their. So it is a very 3x10 crossed matrix. So if your referral are working for you, then also you're getting paid. I'll show you how much the potential is. If you are in, like I have filled these matrices, I am in till $100. So here they have shown you what is the amount, I mean what is the potential they can pay you. See, if you are in at 145, yeah, you can sum up, it comes up to 145, it is 10, 25, 50, 100, it is 185 altogether in totality. So if you have purchased 185 altogether, it is only one time purchase, guys, it's very effective, go for it. So it has the potential of earning 819291, this much dollar you can earn, because it is 3 cross 10 forced matrix, and there are 10 levels altogether, down deep level, and 5% you can calculate, you can earn this much of particular amount if you are in FutureNet Friends Tree. And YBR is focusing on this FutureNet Friends Tree and FutureAt Pro. So coming back to YBR, that I'll open up my small paint presentation. Yeah, there's a PLS, FAP and Friends Tree. So if you are joining YBR, you will be automatically in PLS, FAP and Friends Tree. You can use that particular username to sign up in FutureNet. You don't have to create another account for that. So, and actually basically fourth stream of income is very high ticket program which is tied for the strong backend, which makes YBR so special for me. So but my strategy is, you can use these three programs profit to come over here, because it is high ticket program, it will cost you around $1,300. So what I'll recommend is, go join PLS, be at gold membership, purchase some ad pack in FutureAt Pro, be in this Friends Tree opportunity, generates handsome profit, and then come over here Exodus Elite, which will benefit you for your, I mean you can grow your income in this fantastic way. So I have beautiful strategies for this. I have source of traffic which are paid, which are free also. So I use, particularly I use to grow my income to the, they'll take my income to next level. And they have all made you explain in this YBR. You can see, this is the short little presentation of, this is the short little presentation they have done. This is the profit strategy altogether. In YBR, when you come, you can see that Power Lead System is one, I already told you. Power Lead System, FutureNet Ad Pro, FutureNet Friends Tree, and Exodus Elite. So you can purchase, I told you that gold membership, and you can go over here, you can purchase some amount of ad packs. So you have to maintain that ad pack level, and then you can go and purchase traffic also from this strategy. So I use particular strategy to gain traffic, to boost my income, and to sign in up in Exodus Elite. That is not from your pocket, that is all for free, because you are going to use profits of this three major source of income. So I'm going to include link below the video to join YBR. Make sure the sponsor name is correct. This is Bhagyashree and Milita, that is the sponsor name, and you can join YBR. If you have got any questions, actually they have explained each and everything very specifically. If you get in YBR, step by step explanation, what is PLS, about FutureAt Pro, about FutureNet. If you have any doubt, so you can reach me out and you can mail me. You'll get response as soon as possible, and I'll help you personally how to boost your income and go to Exodus Elite, how you can jump from profit and you can grow your passive income. So thanks for watching this video. Go sign up, like the video, subscribe it, and see you in the next video.